Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Haritro and today I will be giving you a quick walkthrough of a desktop application I built using Python's Tkinter library fully integrated with MySQL database. If you are someone looking to build a real-world project that involves form submission, database storage and interactive tables, the video is for you. Stay tuned. Let's first understand how this app works behind the scenes. At the middle, we can see that there are four main buttons: insert to add new records, read to display the form data, refresh to clear the inputs, and exit to close the app. On the button, there's a data table. This is built using the Treeview widget, which shows all submitted entries in real time. It's also scrollable for better navigation. All the data is saved directly into a MySQL database with the help of a cursor object. When the insert button is clicked, the app collects the data from all the input fields and runs a secure SQL insert query. It supports viewing and editing entries by selecting any row from the table. The selected data autofills into the form so you can update or review it easily. You can also click the read button to see all the current input values in the text box preview, which are helpful for verifying entries before submission. Lastly, the refresh button clears the form and the exit button shows a quick confirmation pop-up before the application getting closed. Now let's see it in action. I will enter some sample details here. Let me enter the values first. I have inserted some random values. Please ignore them. And now on clicking insert, it saves the data directly to the MySQL database. There is a pop-up showing data inserted successfully. As you can see, the table updates instantly with the new record. Now I will select one row and notice how the form gets autofilled, ready for updates or review. First of all, I have to press refresh for that. Then again select the values. Look, on clicking the read, the text box shows all the current form values neatly formatted. Finally, the refresh button clears everything and the exit button safely closes the app with confirmation prompt. And that's how full-fledged desktop data tool powered by Python and SQL. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such hands-on data projects. See you in the next one. Until then, keep building and keep supporting.